the HV. Like, he shut me in, but like, literally if you can go deep on the top door, then like, literally bring mollies as well. Bring mollies as well, because one of these frames is like wood.
Alright, so C4 and mollies.
Yeah.
Let me just depot all the shit.
I'm hoping the Russian child opens the door like an idiot and tries to yoke me, so I have access to the shop fronts.
Revo,
What?
my PC blue screened.
No.
My PC.
Were you in the base still?
Yeah, I was in the base.
Okay. I can chill here for a little bit.
My PC just crashed. Revo. No.
Dude, literally the worst time, Dino. I'm not even gonna be funny.
Oh my gosh. Like, why'd that have to happen? Okay, I'm turning back on my computer.
You gotta hurry, man. I'm holding it. Dude, you gotta hurry. They're like in that roof bit.
My, that's the most unlucky thing ever, dude. Like, why now?
Дайте, пожалуйста, кто-нибудь патроны, я верну.
Oh my god, I hear them. Voice.
Да я знаю, мне не нужны патроны для этого. Потому что я видел челика.
I'm deep, I'm full deep.
Откройте, пожалуйста.
Full deep?
Full deep. I'm gonna start.
Make sure you have your clips on.
Oh my god, frame drop, please.
Откройте мне кто-нибудь, пожалуйста. Откройте кто-нибудь, что это мне.
One bag gone.
Yeah.
Loading in.
Like, they've actually got so much shit in here.
You got box AKs.
Да открой мне, пожалуйста. Да блин, я так сдохну тогда. Открой, пожалуйста.
Blue card and shit too.
Да блять, открой.
Nice.
Да какой открой? Все в хате.
Armored doors and stuff. Tier 3 up here.
Чел в хате?
В шкафу у нас.
Хате?
Oh my god, shit tons of sulfur.
Ну так открой, я его убью, у меня арбалет.
A shit ton. I don't have anything to break TC with though.
О господи.
Shoot it?
No, if I can seal it, wait, I can seal this. I can actually seal this if I get TC.
Just shoot
So
off
much
TC.
low grade.
Что?
I hear them opening doors and stuff. I need like. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna wait till I kill them again.
Alright.
I've got an instant. I've got like a HV rocket. Dead.
Nice.
Turrets and stuff in here. I got real rockets! I got real rockets! I'm gonna real rocket the fucking TC.
How much? How much rockets?
Two real rockets, 2 real rockets.
Alright.